I want to talk about another company that's been in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons, you could argue, and that's Facebook. They are right at the target of this Stop Hate for Profit campaign that's been led by a number of groups concerned about the type of hate speech that's on the platform, and Facebook not necessarily acting quickly enough. Patagonia, the latest brand to come out and say, we're going to pull all our ads from the Facebook platform, as well as Instagram. REI, North Face, a number of other brands came out over the weekend. We've seen these types of campaigns before, but how significant do you think this one is in light of the national conversation that's happening right now?
It's a great point. I mean, the social media platforms, are they media or are they platforms? Are they private walled gardens or are they not? And I think they're stuck in that right now, and they have to figure it out, because especially with the Section 230 protections in the FCC Act, which actually means that they've been protected for a long time, now they've got to make that decision. So brands are actively trying to figure out, where do we sit on the side of free speech versus hate speech versus how do we define that? And I think that's going to be a challenge for a lot of the social media networks for quite some time, because they've got to determine what that is. The cancel culture that's going on, I think is going to happen for a little bit more all the way up until the election season. But I actually think that Facebook and Google, and now of course Amazon, they're dominating in digital ads. And if you don't participate, you might actually lose out. So I think it's a short-term message and a short-term implication that's going on. I don't think it's going to affect Facebook in the long run. They've put in a lot of controls to make sure that, they can take care of things like riots in the middle of an election, and so this is probably small in terms of what they're doing in terms of their advertising base, in terms of a challenge, but it's big in terms of the social impact. So we'll have to watch that pretty carefully.
Yeah, certainly going to see this debate only elevate or escalate, given we are several months out from the election. Ray Wang, always good to talk to you.
Thanks a lot.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.